Today we're at the Bowmanville Zoo where we're going to visit the animals. Let's go check it out. As you can see from the footage, it was a rainy day at the zoo, but that didn't seem to affect the animals. Most of them were still outside wandering around or lazing in the grass. One of the nice things about the Bowmanville Zoo is that it's relatively small compared to something like the Toronto Zoo. So you can easily explore all the exhibits in half an hour if you'd like. I'd have to say my favorite animals were the monkeys, just because they're the most entertaining. They're fun to watch as they swing around their enclosures. There are over 300 animals at the Bowmanville Zoo. You should go on down, see what you like best.